Wi-Fi calling not working in iPhone fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if the Wi-Fi calling is actually not working on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Wi-Fi calling is not working on your iPhone, it must be because it is actually disabled. So to enable it, you can simply open up your settings, and from settings you can simply try searching for the phone app. Right here you can see, and right when you go to phone app, under this call section you'll find this option called Wi-Fi calling. So all you have to do here is to simply tap on it and simply turn on this toggle that says Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone, and once you've done that, it will actually enable Wi-Fi calling, and it will also improve the call quality. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.